For today's recipe, we are making easy meringue pops shaped like roses. These are perfect for Valentine's Day. To make the French meringue, whisk 3 large room temperature egg whites on medium speed using the balloon whisk attachment until they are nice and foamy. Add 1/8 of a teaspoon of cream of tartar and mix on medium for about a minute or until this is well combined. Begin adding the sugars 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing well after each addition. We are adding 2/3 of a cup of white sugar, and this process should take 5 to 7 minutes. As always, all of these instructions and the full recipe can also be found in the description box below. Scrape down your bowl and add your extract. I'm using clear vanilla, but regular vanilla would also work, and mix for another minute to combine. You want a nice, stiff, glossy meringue. For my colors, I'm going to tint 1/2 with this rose petal pink and the other half with the creamy peach. You can use any size or type of a star tip, but my favorite is a large close star, and I'm going to use a number 2D. I always pipe small dots in the corner of my pan to help secure my parchment paper. To pipe these easy meringue pops, hold your piping bag directly above your pan. Apply pressure and pipe in a spiral motion until they are your desired size. Release pressure and continue spiraling as you pull away. Mine are about 3 inches in diameter, but you can also make them larger if you would like. Sprinkles add a nice finishing touch to these meringue pop roses. I'm using 4-inch sticks, but I recommend using 6-inch sticks for larger meringue pops. Insert these 1/2 inch to 1 inch deep and bake in an oven preheated to 165 Fahrenheit or 75 degrees Celsius for 90 to 120 minutes. Once baked, these meringue rose pops have a nice crisp outer shell with a bit of a chewy center, which is my favorite texture for these easy meringue pops. I like to serve these Valentine's Day pops in shot glasses filled with sprinkles. If you have enjoyed this recipe, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching.